Energy Advantage YouTube channel. So today I am going to give you some tips on how to look out for bad contractors. So basically, good contractors versus bad contractors. So let's get into it. Hiring a contractor can be stressful, and oftentimes you needed them like yesterday. Here's the thing, a lot of homeowners think that any contractor will do, but I am here to tell you, well, that is not the case. You really want to do your research and know what questions to ask before hiring a contractor. Now, one of the most common mistakes that homeowners make is that, of course, they want to save some money. I mean, come on. Who doesn't? But you know the saying, you get what you pay for? Well, in this case, double that. To give you an idea of how bad it can get, seriously, do your own research. Google or YouTube will have plenty of stories. Just type in bad roofer or horrible contractor or worst roof ever, and you'll see what I mean. This will simply give an idea how the smallest thing can turn out to be a big problem. Now, let's just say that you have spoken to a roofer who says that they will give you half the price of the original quote that another more qualified roofer gave you. What you really need to ask yourself is, how is it cheaper? You have to take into consideration the roofing materials and, of course, the labor. So let's talk materials. One of the differences that a quality roofer will do is that they will give you options on the materials. For instance, they will give you an option of different grades for your shingles. Not only that, but of course, you will receive brand new shingles. While as a bad roofer may give you very little to no options, and essentially what that could mean is that they are cutting corners. I know many of you are sitting there thinking, well, how hard is it to fix a roof? All you need to do is to make sure that you put something on top of something with some glue, and then you're done. It's not really that simple. There is a structure and there are codes that need to be put in place when repairing a roof. The other thing is that there are many layers to a roof. And of course, each piece has its purpose. Think of it like a puzzle. If one piece is missing, then the whole puzzle isn't complete. For instance, let's talk about the underlayment. This is the part of the roof that you don't see. Underlayment and ice and water shield are incredibly important to expand the longevity of your roof, and of course, add extra protection to your roof. Now, without underlayment, what happens is that rain will soak into the decking of your roof, causing mold, rot, and of course, leaks. Not only that, but leaks can cause all sorts of issues for your home, especially inside your home, and nobody wants that. The other difference between a good contractor and a bad contractor is attention to detail. This also means following building codes. An experienced contractor will check out every single detail. This means the deck, the pipes, ventilation system, flashing, while as a bad roofer will not even mention half of these things. And let's just say when it comes to ventilation, they tell you not to worry about it, that it's not really that important. The smallest thing can actually be really important when it comes to your roof. Once again, do your research. So here are some questions that you can ask a roofer before hiring them. Do you have a website? Do you have reviews on social media, such as Google, Nextdoor, and/or Yelp? Are you a licensed and registered contractor? Do you have insurance? What manufacturer do you work with for your materials? What type of insurance do you have? General business liability or property protection? You simply want to make sure that they have the minimal coverage. The other thing you want to keep an eye out for is communication. You obviously want the contractor to have good communication, keep you up to date on the project, and of course, the status of the job. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can go to our website or you can click the description box below for more information. Have a good day.